Today we discuss about the pancreatic secretions. A pancreas has two types of cells. What are they? One is SNR cells and next is ductal cells. We can see that it is the SNR cells of the pancreas and this is ductal cells of the pancreas. And these SNR cells of the pancreas is stimulated by the cholecystokinin. A cholecystokinin is a gastrointestinal peptides, and this cholecystokinin produced by a eye cells, and these eye cells located in the mucosa of the small intestines is stomach, and these intestines simply eye cells located in the mucosa of the small intestines. In same way, S cells also located in the mucosa of the small intestines, and this S cell produce secretin, and this secretin acts on the ductal cells of the pancreas. And what is the function of this gastrointestinal peptide? This cholecystokinin, when acts on the SNR cells of the pancreas, then these SNR cells of the pancreas produce primarily pancreatic enzymes. When this cholecystokinin acts on the SNR cells of the pancreas, then these SNR cells of the pancreas produce enzyme called primary pancreatic enzymes. In the same way, when this secretin, which is produced by the S cells, acts on the ductal cells of the pancreas, then these ductal cells of the pancreas produce bicarbonate. We can see that this is bicarbonate, which produced by the ductal cells of the pancreas. Okay, then these enzymes which are produced by SNR cells and some bicarbonate produced by the ductal cells, both are flow through the long pancreatic duct. But there is a questions how this cholecystokinin and this secretin produced by the eye cells and S cells, there is a any stimulant factor for that? Yes or no? As this cholecystokinin and secretin produced by the S cells is stimulated by the chyme. Then what are the factor for stimulation of this gastrointestinal peptide? First we discuss the CCK. CCK is stimulated when chyme or food from the stomach comes into the small intestines. Then this stimulates the CCK. What type of chyme? The chyme that contains peptides. Then what type of peptides? Peptones and protease. Then and also long chain fatty acid. You can see in this figure a topic in paper. What stimulates the CCK? The chyme that contains peptides. What type of peptides? Peptones and protease. And in the same way, long chain fatty acid both stimulate the CCK. Means eye cells in which located mucosa of small intestines that produce CCK. In the same way, what factor that stimulate the S cells? The chyme that contain the acidic content, means H ions. In the figure, same things are written. H ions contains chyme, and that stimulate the S cells located in the upper portion of the small intestines and produce secretin and acts on the pancreatic ductal cells, and this pancreatic ductal cells secrete bicarbonates. Okay, then here's a very important twist. This primary pancreatic enzymes and bicarbonate both flow through the long pancreatic duct and enters into the second part of the duodenum. But how? It's get confusion like. Let's clear with the figure. This is the liver, and from the liver two ducts arise. What are they? Right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct. We can see in the figure. Yes or no? Yes. Then both duct join together to form a common hepatic duct. And this is gallbladder, which is located just inferior to the liver. And in gallbladder there is the presence of the bile. And from the gallbladder duct arise called cystic duct. There is a cystic duct. You see now, cystic duct. And both cystic duct and common hepatic duct join to form a common bile duct. Clear? Then मैंने कहा था ना, both enzymes and bicarbonate flow through the long pancreatic duct. Then pancreas has two type duct, accessory pancreatic duct and main pancreatic duct. There is a role of the main pancreatic duct only. Then this enzyme and bicarbonate flow through the main pancreatic duct, and before it enters into the second part of the duodenum, it's joined with the common bile duct. We can see that this main pancreatic duct joined with the common bile duct and it enters into second part of the duodenum. But its opening is guarded by the one sphincter called sphincter oedi. This opening of this main pancreatic duct and the common bile duct, which open into second part of the duodenum, guarded by the sphincter of oedi. और बात आता है इसका काम क्या है बे? तो ये क्या करता है, जो बाइल आ रहा है ना गॉल ब्लैडर से और जो इंजाइम आ रहा है बाइकाउंट आ रहा है पैंक्रियास से, उसको क्या करता है, मतलब जब आ रहा है ना डक्ट मतलब स्पिंटर होता है ना, उसको रिलैक्स कर देता है. तो रिलैक्स करने के बाद क्या होता है, वो इंटर होता है सेकेंड पार्ट डिनम. बस कैसे रिलैक्स होता है, स्पिंटर ओडाई. दिस स्पिंटर ओडाई इज अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ सेम कोलिस्टोकाइन. दिस इज गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल पेप्टाइड which cause relaxation of sphincter oedi. Okay, and the same way how bile come from the gallbladder. Gallbladder contract, but there is any factor that cause contraction of gallbladder? Yes or no? Yes, no. What factor? Same factor. This is cholecystokin, and this is the most important MCQ in examinations. What factor that cause relaxation of the sphincter of oedi, and what factor cause contraction of gallbladders? CCK, gastrointestinal peptide, and this mechanism is called extra hepatic biliary apparatus, which is most important questions for both examinations. This is short form of the explanations, and then we discuss about the enzyme that produced by the SNR cells of the pancreas, and this SNR cell pancreas also other factor act that help the production of the enzyme, like through parasympathetic stimulations, the hydrogen produces acetylcholine, and this acetylcholine acts on SNR cells. We can see, and this SNR cell enzyme. Then, question: what are the enzymes of the pancreas? Let's discuss enzymes of the pancreas. Okay, primary pancreatic enzymes of the pancreas. What are they? Proteolytic, lipolytic, and amylactic. Means pancreatic enzyme digests the protein, lipid, and carbohydrate. All the three things digested by the pancreatic enzymes. We can see that primary pancreatic enzyme also produces trypsin inhibitor. But why? Huh? What is function of trypsin inhibitor in the primary pancreatic enzyme? We discuss later. And same thing written here. Combined product of bicarbonate and pancreatic enzyme flow through duct to enter second part of duodenum before entering join with the common bile duct called hepatopancreatic bladder and guarded by the oedi, which is under control of the CCK. Same thing written. Then we have to discuss first the proteolytic enzymes of the pancreas. What are the proteolytic enzymes of pancreas? Same thing, SNR cells of the pancreas produce proteolytic enzymes. What are they? Trypsinogenes, chymotrypsinogenes, and procarboxypeptidase. And all the enzymes of pancreas secreted in inactive form. How it activated? अब क्वेश्चन आता है ना यार, अब सेक्रेटेड इनएक्टिव फॉर्म में हुआ तो कैसा फैक्टर है जो इंटेस्टाइन्स में जिसको एक्टिवेट करता है? तो इंटरकाइनेज, जो इंटरकाइनेज है ना, इन सब को एक्टिवेट करता है। पर इंटरकाइनेज होता कहाँ है? तो सिंपली दिस इज द इंटेस्टाइन्स एंड दिस इंटरकाइनेज लोकेटेड इन द मिकोसा ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन्स। मैंने लिखा हुआ है इंटरकाइनेज लोकेटेड इन द मिकोसा ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन्स। Then what factor that stimulate the endocrine? Simply the cheme that come from the stomach and intestinal, the small intestines. That factor stimulate the endocrine. Then this endocrine acts on the trypsinogens. Here. There is a very high. Trypsinokinase in trypsinokinase endocrines act. Then convert trypsins, and this trypsins acts as autocatalyst. Means the trypsin acts on chymotrypsins. We can see that this trypsins acts on the chymotrypsins and converts activated from chymotrypsins. In the same way, this trypsin acts on the procarboxypeptidase and activate into the carboxypeptidase. All the activated forms of the proteolytic enzymes of the pancreas. Then what if I arise the questions, क्या होगा अगर this enzymes activated within the pancreas? Then it leads to the acute pancreatitis. Why? Because if this enzyme activated within the pancreas, then it causes digestion of the pancreas. All the enzymes cause digestion of the pancreas. That's why SNR cells of the pancreas. SNR cells of the pancreas along with enzymes also produce trypsin inhibitor. So this enzyme cannot able to activated within the pancreas, only activated when these enzymes enter into the second part of the duodenum, small intestines. Same thing written here. Why pancreatic SNR cells secrete trypsin inhibitors along with enzymes? Because if they activated within the pancreas, then cause digestion of the pancreas and leads to the acute pancreatitis in long term. That's why pancreas SNR cell secrete trypsin inhibitors along with the enzymes. This is finished. Thank you.